Hey divas, welcome back here. Today's tutorial is beginner friendly, easy to create and gives you a simple but stunning makeup look. As always, all the products I used are affordable and you will find them listed in the description below. Okay. If you enjoy this tutorial, please don't forget to like, share it with your friends, family, and your WhatsApp and across your social media platform. I beg. Make una help my ministry grow. Thank you so much for sharing in advance, okay? I truly appreciate. So, until I pop on your screen again, stay glowy, stay confident, and stay chic like chic, okay? Bye!
Will you come with me and guide me through the dark? Stand by, watch me fall apart. I've always loved you more than you know. Father, don't you let me go. I need your light, like city nights and satellites. When I'm old and losing sight, carry me home all through the night. I need your love, I need your light, like city nights and satellites. When I'm old and losing sight, carry me home all through the night. I'm lost in a city, still so far from home. I've searched for you all my life. Cast out like a shadow, racing towards the light. I pray to see you one more time.